Okay, this is Dundee with his sister Chanel. And then her is just so cute and cuddly. Hey Dundee, you're my baby, aren't you? Yes. Hey Chanel, where's my little girl? So Chanel is a black tri-female, and she's 4 weeks old. She's very sleepy, and Dundee's gonna get her. And Chanel has a full white collar and white chest and white feet. She's gonna have that beautiful classic Aussie look with a little bit of copper on her face, and she has a great personality. Get her. Pretty girl. Yeah, and looky right here. Hey Dundee. Yeah, are we sleepy? You gonna get me? Come here. Look at these cute babies. They are 4 weeks old. Getting so fluffy. Hey, yeah. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. They want to get me. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Their mother is a Velcro dog for sure. She's my baby. Sleeps beside me every night. Yes. Yes. We don't have our parents out in kennels or anything. Their mama sleeps right beside me. She's our baby. Yes. Daddy is not in here right now because we're keeping him away from the babies. Yes. Who's a baby? Who's a baby? Dundee just wants to get me. He's gonna get me. Hey, Miss Chanel. Hey, blue girl.